Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can practice match up or covering your opponent in comments tutorial of eFootball 2024. So this is the call for pressure, how to defend yourself when the defense transition. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the mission so you get ton of rewards from it. Let's get started by tap the extras, tap the training. As you can see, there are two options here. Tap the comments tutorial, tap, and this one match up. Tap the match up. So in this mode, you have to defend yourself. Press match up, and you will follow the opponent. Cover the opponent movements. Try to cover in the box. Block passing lane to intercept pass, how you can intercept your enemy like this. And try another one. Maintain movement within the specified area and prevent pass. Try to match up. And then try to follow your enemy. Success. And this one, try to intercept the pass. You have to inside the box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click text button below. Enjoy the game.